Hi, to turn on 5G on your CMF phone 1, all we have to do is open settings and find this first tab network and internet. After that, simply choose SIMs. And now if you got 2 SIM cards inserted, you need to choose for which you want to enable 5G. But in my case, I got only one, so I enabled to use this SIM. And now we need to scroll down, find mobile data and also enable it by tapping on the switcher. And now to actually enable 5G, you just need to find this preferred network type, and here just tap on 5G option, and that's basically it. Also, you can enable Smart 5G and 5G standalone. And if you scroll down, you can enable 4G calling, but in your case it could be 5G calling, so you can enable it as well. And yep, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.